Welcome to Quizzical, where knowledge starts with a question.
Welcome to the Shark Species Quiz. Can you identify all 34 sharks? You'll have 10 seconds for each question before the answer is revealed. Let's dive in. This powerful predator can detect a single drop of blood from remarkable distances and even sense the tiny electrical signals produced by living animals. Can you identify it? The great white shark can grow over 6 meters long. Its power, speed, and keen senses make it one of the ocean's most formidable hunters. This large predator will eat almost anything, from fish and sea turtles to seabirds and even unusual objects. Can you identify this remarkable shark? The tiger shark is named for the dark stripes on its body. As one of the ocean's largest predators, it has an incredibly varied diet and powerful jaws. Its uniquely shaped head gives it exceptional vision and helps it locate prey hidden beneath the sand. Can you identify this extraordinary shark? The hammerhead uses its distinctive head to improve vision and detect hidden prey. They travel in large schools before hunting alone. This gentle giant is the world's largest fish, feeding almost entirely on tiny plankton despite its enormous mouth. Do you know its name? The whale shark is the world's largest fish, growing up to 18 meters long. Built for speed, this streamlined predator can burst through the water at incredible velocities and even leap high into the air. Can you name it? The mako shark is the fastest shark in the ocean, capable of remarkable bursts of speed. Unlike most sharks, this powerful species can survive in both saltwater and freshwater, and is often found far up rivers. Can you identify it? Bull sharks is one of the few sharks that can thrive in both saltwater and freshwater. This slow-moving bottom dweller spends much of the day resting beneath reefs and uses powerful suction to feed on prey hidden in the seabed. Any ideas? Nurse sharks is a calm, bottom-dwelling species that feeds by sucking prey from the seafloor. It often rests in groups during the day. Named for its distinctive color, this coastal shark often returns to the same nursery areas year after year. Can you identify this species? It's the lemon shark, and it is known for returning to familiar coastal habitats and shallow nursery grounds throughout its life. Recognizable by the dark tips on its fins, this agile hunter patrols shallow coral reefs in warm tropical waters. Can you identify this shark? The blacktip reef shark is a fast, agile predator, commonly found around tropical coral reefs. This sleek ocean traveler can cross entire oceans and is recognized by its long, slender body and brilliant blue coloration. Can you identify this species? The blue shark is a graceful open ocean species known for its vivid blue color and long migrations. This slow-moving giant lives in icy Arctic waters and is among the longest-lived vertebrates on Earth. Some individuals is believed to survive for centuries. Can you name it? Greenland sharks inhabits the cold Arctic Ocean and is the longest-lived known vertebrate. Some live for more than 250 years. Living in the deep ocean, this bizarre shark can shoot its long jaws forward in an instant to snatch unsuspecting prey. Do you know it? The goblin shark is a rare deep-sea species with an elongated snout and extendable jaws. This remarkable hunter uses its exceptionally long tail like a whip to stun schools of fish before feeding. Can you identify this shark? The thresher shark is famous for its extraordinarily long tail, which it uses to strike and stun prey. Despite its fearsome appearance with rows of protruding teeth, this shark is usually calm and often hovers almost motionless in the water. Can you name it? The sand tiger shark is easily recognized by its protruding teeth and ability to hover almost motionless. This open ocean predator is recognized by the bright white tips on its broad fins and spends most of its life far from land. Can you identify this shark? The oceanic white-tip shark is a powerful predator of the open ocean and is known for its slow-swimming nature. This enormous shark swims with its mouth wide open, filtering tiny plankton from the water instead of hunting large prey. Can you identify this gentle giant? The basking shark is the world's second largest fish, reaching lengths of up to 10 meters. Young individuals display bold stripes, but as they mature, those markings transform into a pattern of dark spots. Can you identify this fascinating shark? The zebra shark is named for the striped pattern seen in juveniles. You're halfway through the shark species quiz. How many of you identified so far? The next sharks are even more challenging. Let's continue. This beautifully patterned shark spends much of its time cruising shallow coastal waters and estuaries in search of small prey. Can you identify this species? It's a leopard shark, and it's a harmless coastal shark that commonly inhabits shallow bays and estuaries. Named for its smooth, sleek skin, this fast-swimming predator spends much of its life in warm tropical oceans far from shore. Can you identify this shark? The silky shark gets its name from its exceptionally smooth skin. It is a swift, open-ocean predator. This powerful cold water hunter can keep parts of its body warmer than the surrounding ocean, giving it an advantage when chasing fast-moving prey. You know it? The poor beagle shark is a powerful cold water species that can maintain a body temperature above the surrounding water. This confident predator is commonly found patrolling warm coral reefs, where it feeds on fish and other marine animals. Can you identify this shark? The Caribbean reef shark is a strong, agile predator that inhabits tropical coral reefs. This large coastal shark grows slowly and takes many years to reach adulthood, making its populations especially vulnerable. Can you identify this species? The dusky shark is a large, slow-growing predator found in warm coastal and offshore waters. This agile hunter is famous for leaping high above the water while spinning through the air as it chases schools of fish. Can you identify this shark? The spinner shark is renowned for its spectacular spinning leaps above the ocean's surface. This master of camouflage rests on the seafloor, blending perfectly with rocks and coral before ambushing unsuspecting prey. Can you name it? The wobbegong shark is a superb ambush predator with intricate camouflage and skin flaps that help it blend into the reef. This elusive deep-sea giant was only discovered in the late 20th century and feeds by filtering tiny plankton from the water. Can you identify this rare shark? The megamouth shark is one of the rarest sharks in the world. It is a gentle filter feeder that consumes mainly plankton. This ancient-looking deep-sea predator has a long eel-like body and rows of needle-like teeth, earning it the nickname of a living fossil. Do you know it? The frilled shark is a rare deep-sea species with an ancient appearance. This powerful cold water hunter is named after one of its favorite prey and can keep its body warmer than the surrounding ocean. Can you identify this shark? The salmon shark is a fast cold water predator found in the North Pacific. This small reef shark can survive in very shallow water and even walk across the seafloor using its fins. Can you identify this remarkable species? The epaulet shark is famous for its ability to walk across the seafloor using its fins. This coastal species is recognized by its tall dorsal fin and often patrols sandy seabeds in warm, temperate, and tropical waters. Can you identify this species? The sandbar shark is a large coastal species with a distinctive tall dorsal fin. This powerful reef predator thrives around remote oceanic islands and is often seen patrolling deep drop-offs and rocky coastlines. Do you know its name? The Galapagos shark is a large, powerful predator commonly found around remote tropical islands. This distinctive shark is famous for gathering in enormous schools near oceanic islands, despite hunting alone for much of the time. Can you identify this species? The scalloped hammerhead is known for its uniquely notched head and spectacular schooling behavior. This tiny, deep-sea predator leaves perfectly round bite marks on much larger animals by removing plugs of flesh with its specialized teeth. Can you identify this shark? The cookie-cutter shark uses its unique teeth to remove neat, circular plugs of flesh from larger marine animals. This fast-swimming coastal shark often hunts in groups and is known for following large schools of fish in warm, temperate waters. Can you identify this shark? The bronze whale shark is a swift coastal predator recognized by its bronze-colored body. Unlike many sharks, this reef predator often rests on the seafloor during the day before becoming an active hunter after sunset. Can you identify this shark? The white-up reef shark is a slender reef predator known for resting on the seafloor during the day. Congratulations on completing the shark species quiz. How many did you identify correctly? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next quiz.